Listen, thanks for the drive. Had a great time. It's kind of nice to slow down every once in a while.
What does this run involve exactly?
Lying, stealing, breaking the law. We're gonna pull this off.
Hey, listen, if anybody asks you, we was out smashing mailboxes, okay? What?
Elmer is the guy that's wrong.
Are you kidding me? Well, in his favor. So it's all electronic damage to his death. How did he survive?
Oh, man, the paint's still wet!
Our reach is higher transmission length. We need to take this fragment and recreate it now.
Fucking the Bancroft's head is one thing.
No.
But
Get
using
off
this.
the store! Hey,
This is
don't
about
need
mother.
the radio! Here, take it to snow tires. Mater, I was in there.
And get to work.
Then where did all these gold dirt treasures come from?
Hey, guys, there's one going this way. I got it. Come here, little tractor.
I have
Come
nothing
here.
further to bet.
Yeah, it's a good tractor. No, come here. What are you doing? You're not supposed to go wandering off all...
Victim. I can always use a crazy one. If a crazy one.